Right.
Just got lucky. You got lucky today.
There he is, right there.
Come here, Ellie. Here he is. Look at him. Look in there, Ellie. Here he is.
There he is, right here. That little thing is smart.
He walked right past my face.
I'm gonna step on him.
Y'all better get out the way.
Back over here. Back over here. Lucy.
Ooh, I just saw something. Damn, he's over there.
You can trap him.
Here you go. Right time.
You walked right past my feet. Feety, feet, feet.
Get him. Sniff him out.
Bet he did too.
Ellie. Come here and look right in him. Look in there. Yeah, I believe he is. I believe he's in that box, right? Got a hole cut in that box.
Oh, holy shit.
There he goes! Get him, Ellie! Get him!
Let me see.
Don't let
I
that
got
son of a
it.
bitch get away. Get him!
Got it. Little dude's dead.
That daddy girl right there, boys. Daddy love that damn girl, too, he does. Let me see that rat. Hey, Daddy,
It's
look at
still
that damn
alive.
rat.
It's still alive.
Be still. Put him down. Put him down. Come here and let me look at it. You want to see what he is, the female or a male, when you choose, whatever.
It's a female.
Put him down.
It's a female.
Put him down.
He down.
That's what they do for a living.
Come on, let's go.
Take him outside.
Come see it.
It's a female.